was just thinking about what I was going to say. Welcome back to In the Lab with the Doc. Today we're going to talk about, no, we're not. Take this to the microwave and microwave. Welcome back to In the Lab with the Doc. If you guys are like me, you got totally fried this weekend celebrating 4th of July weekend, so everybody's sunburned, and now you're like, what the heck am I supposed to do? So I thought, how about I show you how to make your own after sun care moisturizer. Honestly, the best thing you can use for a sunburn is our Combat Ready ointment. It works amazing. But today I'm going to kind of mix it up a little bit, so it's going to be similar to the Combat Ready ointment, but I'm throwing in some peppermint to leave a little extra cooling feeling. We are going to start with just a glass Pyrex dish. Today we're just going to use the microwave, so you don't have to worry about getting out a double boiler or anything like that. So with your Pyrex dish, you're going to just pour 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of beeswax pellets. You guys can find beeswax pellets in like a 1 pound bag, usually on Amazon. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of avocado oil or olive oil, whatever you have around in your kitchen would work just fine. So 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna add 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which you could have possibly in your kitchen as well. So we're gonna pour all those in. I'm going to take this to the microwave and microwave it for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Your dish is going to be like super, super hot, so you want to make sure you grab hold of it with a towel or a paper towel. We're going to let it cool off for about 1 minute. Okay. You do not want your essential oils to dissipate. So if your carrier oils and the beeswax are too hot and you put essential oils in, it can make them into the air and then it'll be useless. Now that we have this melted, we're going to add 20 drops of lavender, 10 drops of eucalyptus. So the lavender and the eucalyptus will give it its healing properties. And lavender also helps with the redness. And then, last but not least, we're going to add 20 drops of peppermint, which will give it a little cooling feeling. That'll feel really nice when you have sunburn. All right, so then you're just going to grab a fork or a knife, give it a little stir. And we, of course, because we make skincare products, conveniently have 4-ounce containers laying around here. But if you don't have something, you can always just get little ball jars from the grocery store. So as I said, this is a 4-ounce container. It'll fill it up to about 3 ounces though. So then you have your very own After Sun Healing Moisturizer. Thanks again for joining me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and we will be posting the ingredients and directions on how to make your own. Thank you.